10 positive thinking secrets. In this video, I am going to share using these thinking secrets you can progress in your life. Successful people maintain a positive focus in life no matter what is going on around them. They stay focused on their past successes rather than their past failures and on the next action steps they need to take to get them closer to the fulfillment of their goals rather than all the other distractions that life presents to them. Quoted by Jack Canfield. Success is never handed out. You must take, not by force. You take success by becoming a successful person. This is the way how one can achieve success. When you are able to succeed on the inner space, and definitely the results will show on the outer space. Blame game. If you are down with failures and find yourself blaming the rest of the world for your misery, then it is time to stop your negative thoughts. So don't play the blame game. The 10 tips for positive thinking helps you to stay in positive mindset. The first secret, have positive mindset. Just when you are about to blow your top for all the seeming misfortunes that befall you, remind yourself of all your blessings instead. Second secret, get rid of negative thoughts. Recognize negative thoughts as they take shape and bury them before they take root. If you feel your mood darkening again, put a stop to these dangerous musings before you succumb to them. Rule your emotions and thoughts. Don't let rules you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Be with positive people always. Hang out with the people who think positive, and this condition can be quite infectious. So always be with positive people. Number 4. Get away from energy vampires and the negative people. Just as contagious is a negative mindset, and so avoid people who tend to think negatively and sucking energy. Fifth secret, eat right, work out, and get enough sleep. If you look good on the outer space, it will be easier to feel good on the inside space also. Sixth secret, get involved in charity work or be a volunteer. Not only will you realize that the sheer number of people who have bigger problems than you do, but there is also such an emotional and even spiritual high to be experienced in helping others. Seventh secret, de-stress. You are more likely to be cranky if you are perpetually stressed out, and so get away from it. Eighth secret, keep it up. Getting started is easy, but maintenance that is tricky. Make a habit out of thinking and feeling positively till you complete the task. Ninth secret, declutter. Surround yourself only with the things you love and that make you feel good. This may include your favorite photos, books, plants, and other things. 10th secret, motivate, inspire yourself. If people tell you you can't do something, take that as a challenge and prove them wrong. Indian industrialist Ratan Tataji used to have this kind of mindset, and he is very successful in his life. If you show them it can be done, they will be inspired by your success. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.